rain. And then 14, don't come in with your line. We'll just stop after that. So go ahead. 100.
178 new plants.
We make it rain, we make it rain, we make it rain on them plants.
Okay, now we get like 5 years ago. But I forgot. So anyway, we make it rain. Is that a current song?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can anybody sing it the way the artist sings it? How does it go? How's it go? You make it rain. Try to teach it. Try to teach it to me. This will be hard. Does it go, we make it rain, or does it go like,
we make it rain, we make it rain, we make it rain.
we make it rain? Okay, and so now, is the person who sings it, can you like,
And
178 new plants.
We make it rain, we make it rain, we make it rain on them plants.
One of the most annoying animals they faced were
Mosquitoes!
what does Lewis and Clark do for food?
They eat anything they can find.
even dogs.
Eat